welcome to my YouTube channel Web Coding with Ankur. Today we are starting something exciting, a brand new tutorial series on Next.js, one of the most powerful frameworks for building modern web application. Whether you are a beginner who just getting started with web development or an experienced developer looking to level up your skills, this series is for you. By the end of this series, you will add a solid understanding of Next.js and be able to build a fast, scalable, and production and ready web-based application. So let's dive in. So first of all, first topic is what is Next.js. So what exactly is Next.js? Next.js is a React-based framework that makes building server rendered and static websites incredibly easy. It is built on top of React, so if you have already know React, you will feel right at home. But here is one thing, Next.js adds some additional superpowers to React or some features like server-side rendering, static site generation, file-based routing, API route, and much more. These features make it perfect for building modern web apps that are fast, SEO-based, and scalable. So, what are the other features which make Next.js more comprehensive? So, here you can see that there are some features like it is built on React, it gives server-side rendering, it help in server-side generation, it has file-based routing and API routes. So, when we already know React, why we have to learn Next.js? So, my question is why learn Next.js? For that, so there are number of following reasons that you should know that you should learn React if you should learn Next.js. So, if we talk about this, then it has a routing. It has routing features which provide, it has file-based routing and app-based routing. It can produce, it can has API routes through which we can hit an async calls. It provide a server-side rendering which is not provided in the React because it provide a client-side rendering. It also helpful in data fetching, which will be helpful for us, which will be helpful for an application, and it is also provide the styling purpose and optimization and day one produce build. Okay, and apart from this, it also helpful in the performance issue like Next.js optimize your apps for speed. It support features like code splitting, image optimization, and pre-rendering, which makes your app more load faster. So, and second is SEO friendly. With server-side rendering and static site generation, your app become easy to search engine to index, improving the SEO ranking. Apart from this, if we go on the developer experience side, Next.js has an amazing developer experience. It come out with hot reloading, automatic routing, and zero configuration for many features. It has a versatility that it will be building a blog, whether you are building a blog or an e-commerce website or a full-fledged web application. Next.js can handle it all. And the best part is company like Netflix, Hulu, and GitHub use Next.js to power their website. So learning Next.js is not just about building code project, it's also about boosting your career. So what are the prerequisites which we need to know before we start learning Next.js? So as you can see that you should have the basic knowledge of these things like HTML, CSS, modern JavaScript. If you know the React fundamental, it is good. So, and if no, then we will cover that part 2 also, which will be required in this Next.js series. Then you should have a code editor like VS Code or the code editor which you like to work with. So you could have so I usually use Visual Studio Code, so I can use VS Code in this tutorial series, and in that you also on your system you should also have the Node.js installed on your system product, and from that you can download it from nodejs.org. So these are the things which you need have before you are starting with the Next.js series. So all right, this is for today, and in this video we cover what is Next.js is and why it is awesome, the benefit of learning Next.js and how to, and in the next video we will see how we can start a Hello World application using Next.js. So, and also let me know in the comment what kind of project would you like to build with Next.js, a blog, an e-commerce site, or something else. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.